training, coaching institutions shall remain closed. All industrial and commercial activities, other than those which were mentioned earlier, also are prohibited. Auto rickshaws, cycle rickshaws, services of cab aggregators prohibited. All cinema halls, malls, shopping complexes, gymnasiums, complexes. I wanted to highlight this because in all this which we are talking, what does the lockdown mean till May 3rd? And what is it that is to be opened after April 20th should be seen in the correct perspective. That is why these first two slides have been put verbatim as written in the order so that you understand, all the collectors and SPs may kindly understand that the lockdown continues till May 3rd. Whatever gains we've had till now, if we have had, whatever gains we can have henceforth, DGP is also joined us. I actually, many of them have attended the meeting probably in the morning to some duration or the other. And we shared the two PowerPoints with everybody. Bhaskar has circulated to everybody, all the collectors at least. And I've just put up 8 slides. And before you came, if you can just show the first slide. I had written verbatim from the order exactly what are the prohibited activities. So if we see the prohibited activities, it looks like just the normal lockdown. That's what I was driving home the point, that till May 3rd, there is no movement of air, train, public transport, inter-district, interstate movements, educational institutions, all industrial and commercial activities. Next page, next slide. Hospitality services, taxis, services of cab aggregators, cinema halls, these cultural, religious functions, gatherings, place of worships, and for funeral also they have given a limit. So in a way the lockdown continues till May 3rd, and with that spirit we would like all of you to take advantage of this to whatever you can achieve, both in terms of health gains, preparedness, as well as the containment of the infection. So the other point which was mentioned in the order is that no dilution of these guidelines are allowed by any state or UT. So please understand the dilution of these guidelines is not allowed, and that and not only that, the states and UTs can impose stricter measures if required, and that within the hotspots there would have to be the containment zones, but basically the containment cluster concept which we have will continue to be implemented. Next. There are certain national directives which were given. And those national directives, I think it is important that I draw your attention to those national directives. The first is the wearing of the face covers in all public and workplaces. Second is the social distancing in sitting arrangements. Then gatherings of 5 or more persons not allowed in public places. Spitting is prohibited, ban on sale of liquor, gutka and tobacco. Temperature screening and use of sanitizers at the workplace. Old persons and people with comorbidity and parents of children to work from home. And Arogya Setu app to be encouraged for all employees, public and private sectors. Now, they have suggested certain relaxations, though many of those relaxations are in line with what we have already done for the agricultural activity. So the rationale for the activities which are permitted after 20th of, that is from 20th of April, is it 338? 238. 238 GO was issued to you.